Can I have a water bottle, please?
Are you ready?
No.
3, 2.
Wait, guys, dink them and sink them.
Remember, dink 'em and sink 'em.
This shit is fat. I'm now realizing how fat this one is. You said the fattest one.
Ready? 3, 2, 1, go!
Oh god.
Swallow. It's hot.
Oh, dude, I can smell it off your breath.
Fucking breathe. It's hot.
I can smell it off your breath.
I'm done. I got the hiccups. You gotta swallow it.
Gibbs, stop getting in the shot.
Oh, fuck. Hey, guys. Fuck. You gotta go 3 minutes.
Yeah, you guys aren't even at a minute left.
Fuck.
You got 1 down. Oh, shit, dude. You're leaking.
Oh no.
These are, oh, you already got ice.
I fucked up swallowing it. My eyes red?
There, look at me. Yeah, they're getting red. Jeez, all this spit all over my floor. Someone stepped in it.
I'm not gonna lie.
Biggie lost his shoe again. He's losing his shoes. Any remedy to combat the heat?
It hurt. You put my shoe there.
Guys, please pick up your trash. Thirsty.
My throat, it hurts to. It hurts to talk so much.
Oh, Jesus Christ.
I need more water.
Here, don't worry. I got a second cup. I got a second cup.
Fuck. Dude, it hurts.
You just stepped on your popsicle. You just stepped on it. Why do you guys do this to yourself?
New experience. New shitty experience.
You want to call like your family and let them know that you're gonna die?
Yep.
God damn, what the fuck's going on over there? I don't care. I'm sorry, what did you say?
Round 2?
I don't know. Hell no. Those peppers were nothing compared to this.
Damn, Gibbs, how many popsicles you killed already? See, count with. Hey, Tang, do the header on the side. Let's count them. 1.
That's not mine.
2. Oh, okay. 1. I know this one's yours. 2.
I don't eat it. It's just in my mouth. I don't fucking eat it.
3. Let's just count how many are dead altogether. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Fucking popsicle.
Honestly,
6,
I need more.
7,
I need more water.
8, 9.
I think I
Oh,
had
the
2
drool
free
is just-
ice cream bars.
Just
I didn't eat shit. It just melted in my mouth. I spit it out. Oh, no ice cream. One more. Fucking catch it.
oh man!
It doesn't want to come out. No, what a tragic. How you doing, Gibbs?
Honestly, I cried a little bit. I cried. I had how?
They're not letting the little dude in. Screaming. They locked him out. I think he's giving up. He's gonna go on with his life. for those dreams. Live on his own. Wait, Gibbs, come here. Let's see your face. Come here. No, Gibbs, come here. The color is on your face. Help me! I need your water.
Holy shit. These kids are getting crazy. Yeah, it was what Carolina Reapers. Yeah. Yeah.
You want to try away?
Yeah.
You said I'm down?
No.
Hell no.
Last week we did what? Ghost peppers.
Ghost peppers.
Yeah.
Ghost peppers. I've done the habaneros, but nothing of that. I don't want to. That fucking makes me sick.
Habanero's nothing compared to oh my god. This gives you pain.
On a scale from 1 to 10, where would you put it?
20.
Yeah.
Let me take a picture of that so I can tell my fucking coworkers. I was like, oh, my fucking crazy neighbor kids did it.
Yeah.
And I thought you guys were like pepper spraying and shit. Doing that shit. I was like, oh fuck, I gotta go see something.
I'm not gonna lie. I think I have to throw up.
You know?
No, it's not that I have to. It's that I need to. Like, it's not like it's my choice. Like, my stomach is burning.
Wait.
Oh, that's disgusting. That is
All the seeds.
That is gross.